nobody else wants any of this. How many calories are in a whole box of cake?
A lot.
Hold on, I'll find out. 10 times 260. Okay, maybe I'll share. Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you'll adventure with us. So today's recipe is a fun one. It's one of those recipes that we're gonna use over the next couple months, and I guarantee you it's going to be the hit of your party or your barbecue, well, social distance barbecue. And it is so easy, it is so quick. You do it in one pot, in the microwave. Are you ready for this? It's gonna be so cool. Before we begin, I wanna say hello to my two newest YouTube subscribers, Micah and Thea. Hello guys. I'm so glad that you're here, and I'm so glad that your mom found me and that you are watching and enjoying Adventures in Everyday Cooking. All right, let's get to this recipe. Today we are gonna make a chocolate lava cake in the microwave in 9 minutes. So the idea behind this recipe is that when you get invited to a barbecue and they tell you to bring something to share, sometimes if you're like me, you forget that you need to bring something to share. Like everybody brings their own meat, but then they're like, oh yeah, I'm bringing a dish to share. Well, you're getting ready to go and you're like, oh shoot, I forgot to make a dish to share. This is the answer to all of your worries. 9 minutes in the microwave, bam, it's done. It is so good. It's also tailorable. You can use peanut butter, sun nut butter, Nutella, almond butter, anything you want. We're gonna use sun nut butter today, but you can use anything you want, and it's delicious. So we're gonna make it today in one pot. This is the 2.5 quart Dutch oven from Pampered Chef, and we're gonna make everything right in here. So we're not gonna dirty up anything. We're gonna dirty up this, we're gonna dirty up this, and our measuring cups, and that's it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a box of Devil Food Cake. So this is Devil's Food Cake from the Heinz Dunkin'. And we're just gonna dump it right in. And you know what else is great about this recipe? You don't have to turn on the oven. It's cool. All right, 1 1.4 cups of water is going in, 1/2 of a cup of oil, 2 eggs. Let's go ahead and give that a good mix. So, like I was mentioning, this can totally be done last minute. And that is what makes this recipe so amazing, and that's why I wanted to share it with you. So, barbecues, potlucks, birthday parties, you name it, this is your go-to. Your new go-to. If you don't have a Dutch oven, that doesn't mean you can't make it. Just use a ceramic bowl or some microwave safe bowl that has a lid, or you could use a plate over the top. I've used plates in a pinch, but you kind of want to make sure it's about a 2.5 quart-ish. It doesn't rise a total, it rises as much as cake mix does, but it doesn't rise it won't rise up over the top of this container. So you could use something different. But if you're interested, after seeing this, if you're interested in a small Dutch oven like this from Pampered Chef, I can help you out. I am a Pampered Chef consultant. And yeah, I'll leave the link in the comments below. But otherwise, you can really do it in any type of vessel, just like this. And that looks good. So our batter looks like cake batter, right? So cool. And regardless of the box mix that you use, you want to use the 1/4 cup of water and the 1/2 of a cup of oil, just so you know. All right, now time for our peanut butter. All right, so this is sun nut butter, as I mentioned. So I'm just gonna put it in dollops kind of everywhere, because I'm gonna wanna mix it in just a second, but it doesn't I mean, it's peanut butter or some nut butter. It doesn't mix super well. And it's kind of like one of those turtle things where kind of you swirl it around. It doesn't really get mixed in. Just kind of, you know, swirl. Didn't I say that? Whatever. All right, and now chocolate chips. These are semi-sweet chocolate chips. So don't use milk chocolate chips because it might end up being way sweeter than you want it to be. And you're using a whole cup already, so stick with the semi-sweet unless you're like a chocoholic, and then you know what, there's no judgment here. No judgment during quarantine. If you get the quarantine 15, whatever. Quarantine 20, 25. All right, now we're just going to swirl it through gently. Okay, gently. So it's kind of almost like a fold. You're like picking up, swirling around. You just kind of want to get swirls of that in all of the places and get batter you forgot to mix. All right, and now we are going to cover it and get it in the microwave for 9 to 11 minutes or until it's done. So I'll see you back here in about 9 minutes. So exciting. Time's up. Time to check the results. Bum, ba-dum, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. All right. Look at the beautiful. Set that over there for now, and I'm gonna set these here so I remember not to touch it. This is a little microwave grip set from Pampered Chef. It saves my fingers on many, many occasions. All right, so here is our beautiful microwaved cake. 9 minutes, and then it was a 5-minute rest because you definitely don't want to take it out when it's that hot. It's a lava cake, but that's a little ridiculous. And now we're gonna try it. So, I was gonna say, you can decorate the top with other stuff, and you can bring, you know, like whipped cream or ice cream to wherever you're going. I like it just like this. It's very perfect. And in the microwave, believe it or not, cake in the microwave is amazing. Have you ever had those mug cakes? This is better. Okay, I'm gonna try not to get a huge scoop. I want to show you this delicious, delicious, deliciousness. Look at that. Let's see if we can get up close so you can see. Oh yeah. Beautiful devil's food cake. See? All right, now time to Wow, that was rude. My camera I guess I forgot to plug in the battery. So it just died in the middle of me like saying, raise your hand if you want to see Heather eat the whole cake. So I switched cameras. So if my video is a little different or my sound is a little different, that's why. And Heather is going to continue to eat the cake. This is so, so good. This is one of those things, seriously. Sorry. This is one of those things that you want to put in your pocket and have around. So next time you're at the store, make sure you grab a couple boxes of Devil's Food Cake because you know it's coming up. All of the parties are coming up. As soon as we can get out and do all the things, there's going to be a ton of parties out there and you're going to have to bring stuff. Bring this. I am not joking. Easy, quick, so good. And you can use peanut butter, sun nut butter, Nutella. You can use Nutella, almond butter, any of the butters you can use in this, and it will be equally as good. Seriously, that is hitting every spot, every one. So good. Now I have sun nut butter in the roof of my mouth, and I'm gonna have to close. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I also hope that you will print this recipe out and keep it for a rainy day. Well, no, you wouldn't go to barbecues on a rainy day, would you? You know what I mean. Keep it for your barbecue days when you're running behind or when you forget. Just don't forget to buy some Devil's Food Cake in the grocery store the next time you're there. All right? Okay, you guys, I hope I'll see you next time, and I hope you'll continue to adventure in your kitchen because I know I will. All right, bye.